Hello. Today I am going to show you how to make this logo in Adobe Illustrator CC. So, let's get started. Choose Rectangle tool and click anywhere on the artboard to open Rectangle dialog box. Make a rectangle of 5 by 5 inches which is equal to artboard size. Align it with artboard, and lock it. Choose Polygon tool, and click it anywhere on the artboard. Type 3, in sides field, and hit OK. Fill it with white color. Now choose Ellipse tool, and draw a circle of the same size. There will be only strokes in both shapes. Adjust the stroke size. Now put the circle above the triangle, so it overlaps the edge of the triangle. Press plus key and add anchor points on the triangle. And delete the anchor points to get the desired shape. Do the same for the circle. Now at this point, select the both anchor points, right-click, and select Join to join the shapes. Now delete this anchor point which is unnecessary. To do so, select it and click on this pen icon. Now we have only one point but it has only one handle. We need two handles to make it curve smoothly. To do so, select the anchor point and click on this icon. Now adjust the shape. That's looking fine. Now go to Object, Path, and then choose Offset Path. But before that, let's change measure points from inches to pixels for more flexibility. Now select pen tool and draw a line as shown in the video. Now put it like it. Then expand all. Choose Shape Builder tool, and delete all unnecessary parts. So that was the logo design tutorial in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you like it. If you have any question, suggestion or feedback, feel free to comment below. Also please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.